Want to rename photos on your iPhone? Here's how to do it effortlessly. Open the Photos app on your iPhone. Browse through your photo library to find the image you wish to rename. Choose the photo you're looking to rename. Remember, you can't rename it directly from this page. Tap the Share button at the lower portion of the screen. It's represented by a square with an arrow pointing outwards. Scroll through the Share options until you find Save to Files. It's recognizable by the file folder icon next to it. Select a location on your device to save the photo. For simplicity's sake, I'll choose Downloads. Tap on the existing file name that starts with IMG at the bottom of the screen. Enter the new name you want for your photo in the text field that appears. You can also add tags if desired. Tap Save in the upper portion of the screen to confirm the changes. Navigate to the Files app on your device and find the folder where your image is saved. Verify the renaming by tapping into the folder and locating your newly named photo. Now, when you share this image via AirDrop or messages, it'll show the new name you've assigned. Subscribe for more straightforward iPhone tips and tricks.